Okay, here we go. You ready?
Let's see this.
Whoa! Hi, I'm Jenna, and this is
Rosa. Hi.
And today we are taking on
Tots.
Who doesn't love potato tots?
They're the best.
They are so good, and you have probably seen them all over the place on bar menus when you used to go to bars before you had children. Or maybe on any of these menus you have seen tot nachos.
Or tachos.
Tachos, those are awesome. But today we are going way beyond tachos.
Way
so far beyond. And we are going to experiment with a couple of things from this super fun book, Tots. And the first thing we are going to make is Monster Tot Bacon Grilled Cheese. So these are Monster Tots.
Hash browns.
Hash browns, yes. But it's more fun to call them Monster Tots. Basically, this is a grilled cheese, and instead of using bread, we're using tots. Awesome.
Who knew?
Not me. Let's see if it's too much tot. You think that's possible?
2 slices of hash brown, that's a bit over the top.
It might be a little over the top. We're gonna squeeze 4 of these in because, as I said, these are our bread. And then next, we are going to assemble, construct our grilled cheese.
Yeah.
So why don't you start unwrapping cheeses? We're gonna put 2 slices of cheese, then we'll layer on the bacon, and then more cheese.
You know it's not real cheese when it comes in packaging. There we go.
Yep. Okay, so then why don't you hand me the bacon for mine? Thank you.
Yeah.
But maybe we should just do 2. Okay.
Why not?
Now, what's going on yours?
Bacon.
AKA vegan bacon. So add your bacon, which I will not touch with a 10-foot pole. We're gonna flip the whole thing, which I'm a little nervous that it's all gonna come undone.
Go, Mom.
Woo! Okay, that was very nerve-wracking, but I'm glad that it all worked out. Wow, those look really good.
They do.
So do you think this is something you would go out to a restaurant and order?
Sure. I mean, why not have a tot grilled cheese?
You know what I feel like we're missing here? Ketchup. I would put ketchup on mine, right? Anyway, we might have to find, I know, it's so hilarious because Rosa, who is, 12, does not like ketchup.
It's disgusting.
No bacon and no ketchup, which just seems bananas to me, but whatever. All right, let's take this one out. Let's give that one more moment. All right, see, look, that still needs a little milk. I'm gonna flip it again.
Yeah.
Ready?
Why not?
This is how we decide what we're gonna do. We say, why not? Why not?
I mean, be adventurous.
That's right. It's just dinner.
You can always make it again.
That's right. Or order pizza.
Or order pizza.
Okay.
All right.
Oh boy. This is more than a meal, is what I have to say. Okay.
Oh my God. Look at all this cheesiness.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
It's gotta be firm with it. Especially that vegan bacon in there. Are you going for it?
I'm gonna go for it.
Okay. Awesome. With no ketchup.
No ketchup.
And?
That's good.
Even with the vegan bacon?
Yes, even with the vegan bacon.
Oh no. All right. Purple. What's not to love here, really? We've got tots, we've got gooey cheese, and bacon, and ketchup. It's awesome.
And bacon.
I give this 2 thumbs up. Yeah, at least. That's good.
This is good. I feel like I can eat tots forever.
Well, that's great because next we are making something else with tots. But this is going to be just a little bit different.
No chickpeas.
No chickpeas. So, tots, we usually think like savory, deliciousness, saltiness, but let's try a sweet tot. Let's try tot s'mores.
That could be good, but it could also be horrible.
Wow, you're so optimistic. Okay, so we have here some piping hot tots. Oops, we lost a tot, runaway tots. This is graham cracker crumbs mixed with sugar, and it's gonna go over the tots. So why don't you put that on?
So it's gonna be like a crusty thing?
Dump the whole thing. Well, I think it's gonna add like a little extra crustiness to the tots. It's like we're breading the tots again because there isn't enough breading. All right, so now I'm gonna put these tots into the pan. This is an oven-safe skillet.
Okay.
I'm kind of tempted to just try one of these tots now. Just
Yeah.
to see what it tastes like with the graham cracker. Want to take one?
Yeah, it's pretty s'mores-y. Smells like s'mores.
I don't know, that's pretty good. I mean, it could be disgusting, this idea of sweet potato tots, but I kind of dig this. I really love salty sweet.
Strange.
It is strange, but good. So next, we've got a cup of chocolate chips.
Oh.
Spread it all over.
Okay.
Next, you can't have s'mores without
Marshmallows.
all over. And now, since this would be a really hard thing to make like over a campfire or on a grill, we're just gonna put them in the oven. You got it?
Yep.
Okay.
How long does this go in for?
About 10 minutes. It's 450 degrees. Okay,
Great.
you can slide it into that one right there. Don't touch anything with your hands. Now we just have to be patient.
Yeah.
Oh, look, wait, here are 2 more tots. We missed these.
Tots!
There you go.
You know, this may be a bit crazy, but I'm actually
You
gonna
wanna
roll in.
See? It's not as bad as one might think.
Not as bad.
Okay, here we go. You ready?
Let's see this.
Whoa. Look at that. Okay, this is super duper hot, but wow, that looks kind of
Amazing.
amazing.
Yes.
Right?
Smells amazing.
It's like that toasty marshmallow smell that is so incredibly enticing. I'm so excited to try these.
I
I'm not
need to
gonna
eat
lie.
this.
Okay.
You try it. Tell me how it is.
Oh, it's actually really good. It's like salty, umami, chocolatey, yummy. You don't look as happy as I am. What do you think? I'll stop
It's
talking.
amazing.
It's amazing.
Oh God.
See, it's not gross.
No,
It's
no.
really not. You know why? You don't really taste the potato. I don't think, do you?
No, I just taste marshmallows and chocolate and s'mores.
Yeah, it just tastes sweet with salty, and the potatoes become this little like pillow of goodness inside the chocolate and marshmallow graham cracker operation. Thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Okay, I'm really just gonna keep eating this so we can keep going for as long as we want. So our take on tots overall is that tots are awesome and
know.
surprisingly versatile.
Sweet, savory combo.
Cheese, bacon, chocolate,
Bacon.
Awesome.